You turn a puddle into oceans. You set the galaxies in motion. You see the magic in a single flake of snow. You turn the sidewalk cracks to canyons. You are a fire-breathing dragon. You follow treasure maps into the wild unknown. I wanna go with you. I wanna go with you on a grand adventure. I'm along for the ride, and I feel it all again for the very first time on a grand adventure with you by my side. 'Cause I love to see the world through your eyes. You turn a moment to a memory. You are the medicine that God knows I need. I'm better every day I get to spend with you. You sing a song and I will listen. We'll make a dance floor in the kitchen. I can't believe the way your laughter fills the room. I wanna go with you. I wanna go with you on a grand adventure. I'm along for the ride, and I feel it all again for the very first time on a grand adventure with you by my side. 'Cause I love to see the world through your eyes. Through your eyes, this beautiful life comes into view. Through your eyes, I didn't see till I saw it with you on a grand adventure. I'm along for the ride, and I feel it all again for the very first time on a grand adventure with you by my side. 'Cause I love to see the world through your eyes. 'Cause I love to see the world through your eyes. Settle down, safe and sound. Oh, the fire is burning here tonight. All is right. I am with you, darling. You and I. You and I. Oh, when I'm with you, I am home. You where I belong. the unknowns. We will stand together, you and I. You and I. Oh, when I'm with you, I am home. You are where I belong. The place where it all started. This is where I'm wanted. Home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. Oh, when I'm with you, I am home. You are where I belong. The place where it all started. This is where I'm wanted. Home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is.
Oh no, here it comes again. Those words aimed at my chest. See, I'd like to steal a dozer. I would level out my past, just leave what I've done best. But you'd bring me straight back to my darkest day, when words rain down so hard. I must have fallen asleep riding on the train, or walked to find a dark rail yard. See, I never meant to come this far. I lost myself in it. I lost myself and I don't know, I don't know. I don't know my heart at all. Lean close, all this history in the way, so there's more you'd have me say. How love can be a leech, the doctor said would do you good, but it drains your health away. I just never thought it'd bleed me blind. It's like it never even crossed my mind that I had lost myself in it. I lost myself and I